users and employee profiles in Zoho People. There are two different profiles in the system. One is users, and then we have employee profiles. So users are individuals who will have login access to the system. That is, they will have an email ID and password through which they can log into Zoho People. Since they have the login access, they will be able to manage all of their daily activities like submission of leaves, submitting timesheets, marking attendance, and etc. Whereas employee profiles are individuals who will be added to the system but without giving them the login access. So the data management has to be done by the admin or by the concerned reporting manager. You will be able to include employee profile information in all of the modules except for PMS and then LMS. When it comes to appraisal evaluation, it is very important to record the self-appraisal of an employee. However, if an employee does not have login access to Zoho People, they will not be able to submit their self-appraisal. In the same way, under learning management, you can create courses and publish the courses to your employees so that they can enroll to the courses and complete it. If the employee does not have login access to Zoho People, they will not be able to log in and then complete the courses. Hence, you will not be able to include employee profiles under the performance management and learning management system. When it comes to managing or adding users and employee profiles, you will have to purchase separate licenses. That is, you will have to purchase separate license count for users and then you will have to purchase separate license count for employee profiles. And this is how you will be able to manage users and employee profiles in Zoho People.